scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Hydrogen looks tricky, but this one is fast. The key is knowing what makes a gas act ideal, then matching that idea precisely. Ideal gas behavior assumes particles have essentially no intermolecular attractions. So the best explanation must focus on why H2 molecules barely pull on each other, not on speed alone. H2 molecules are tiny with very small electron clouds, so their temporary attractions are weak. That matters because weaker attractions mean the gas follows ideal assumptions more closely. So the statement about weak intermolecular attractions caused by small electron clouds matches the model best, and that points straight to option D. Well done, option D. Scan now. Don't rush past keywording. Trust what's given and check each step before locking your answer.